Looking for a simple, easy, wholesome breakfast? What better than a vegetable upma? Let's make it jhatpat fatafat in the new Philips OneChef. Press the power button, select stir fry mode followed by Veg Preset and set it for 5 minutes on high heat. Now press start. Add ghee to the cooking pot. Once it's hot, add the suji or semolina and roast for 5 minutes until you get the aroma and suji turns slightly golden. Transfer the suji to a tray and keep aside. Now press the power button again. Select stir fry mode followed by Veg Preset and press start. Add ghee to the pot. To the hot ghee, add chana dal, whole urad dal, mustard seeds, cashew nuts, chopped ginger, green chili, onion, curry leaves and sauté for about 3 minutes. Now add carrot, green peas, the roasted suji and cook for 2 more minutes. Add water, salt to taste, a little sugar, mix well. Finally add lime juice, fresh dhania and let cook for the remaining 2 minutes. Transfer the prepared upma to a serving dish and serve hot with green chutney or coconut chutney. जब breakfast हो इतना wholesome, तो आपका दिन भी बने wholesome. Thanks to the new Philips OneChef, it's all you need.